Automated Rain-Resistant Drying Shed by Prajakta Deshmukh, Bhakti Pawar, Viraj Patil and Vaishnavi Patole. Nowadays technology is running with time, it completely occupied the lifestyle of human beings. One of the most significant and efficient uses of this has been evident in the farming sector. Even though there is such an importance for technology in our routine life, there are even people whose lifestyles are very far to this well-known term technology. The aim of this study is to design and develop an innovative solution for rain-protected drying sheds that can automatically detect rainfall and provide shelter for drying agricultural produce. One of the issues which need to be addressed is the protection of crops from heavy rainfall, which causes significant damage to the crop production and soil yield, also causing huge mental distress to a farmer. We in our proposed model have given a solution to this problem by giving automated as well as manual control. The implementation of an automatic rain-resistant drying shed has the potential to significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of drying operations in the agricultural sector. Overall, the automatic rain-resistant drying shed presents a practical and innovative solution to mitigate the impact of rainfall on drying operations, ultimately contributing to the preservation of agricultural produce, reduction in post-harvest losses, and improved livelihoods for farmers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.